Hi guys, it's Marta with Fun in Third, and today is packing day. So I am getting ready to head out to the school. Today we only have about 5 hours to either put everything away into cabinets and pack student things, or in my case, get everything out because I am changing schools and content areas for next year. If you're new here, my name is Marta. I am a 3rd grade math and science teacher here in Houston, Texas. And I am in the next year going to be teaching reading and English language arts. So I am super excited about that. But today is a little bittersweet because it is the last day that I will be in that particular classroom. And so today I have to pack it up. So if you see in the back, I've got bins ready to pack up everything, and I'm just hoping that I have enough. I bought 12 bins from Walmart. They were like $5 a piece, so I have 12 of them, and I'm hoping that I have enough because I have a ton of stuff. Some things will likely be purged, but it's time for me to get going because I am already running behind schedule. I really wanted to be there today. I wanted to be there at 7 o'clock, but what did I do? I stayed up late last night. I had some homework, and then after I did homework, I was binge watching teachertubers because that is my favorite thing to do. I love to watch teachertubers. So I was binge watching. I saw a few new teachertubers that I subscribe to, and so I didn't go to bed, and so I didn't want to get up. So that's that. I will be in the classroom now. Once I get in the classroom, I'll probably talk for just a little bit, but it's gonna be pack because my plan is, since we only have until 2:30 today, my plan is to pack until 1 o'clock, and we also can't have anyone in there with us to help us pack. So my plan is to pack until 1 o'clock, and then at 1 o'clock start rolling things with the cart outside so that my husband and my boys can put it in the truck and we can take it to storage, because I have so much stuff that I wouldn't dare try to put it in the garage. The garage is just the amount of things to keep it from being cluttered, and we don't want it cluttered. So I just said I'll put it in storage. The storage is only like $30 a month, so I'll just pay that for a couple of months. It's not a contract or anything, so I can just pay that for a couple of months until I'm able to move into my new classroom. I'm just praying that we are able to move in on time and things go as planned. I had to just unplug from the news today because because they've opened everything back up. It looks like things are spreading instead of getting better, which would might put us back into a shutdown mode. I don't know. So for the love of God, people stay at home. I haven't been look at my eyebrows, look at my fingers. Now my hair is done because I'm a hairstylist, and that is a whole nother channel within itself. I don't have a hairstylist channel, but I have a salon, so I'm able to keep up my hair, thank God. But my nails, my feet, eyebrows, everything like that I have to go and get done, they haven't been done. I've been just going to the store and coming home. That's it. Nothing else. Nothing else. My salon is not even back. I took a couple of people for the first time, and then, well, just one, just to test the waters out. But my salon has not even been open. I'm just, and of course, it's a financial hit. You know, it is. That's money that I'm missing, you know, every month. But I just don't feel like it's worth it. I just say I would rather just stay at home. So, stay at home, people. We want to go back to work. I never thought I'd see the day where, you know, I always love going to work, especially to work during back to school times. My favorite. That's the best time of year. That's my favorite time, putting my room together. So, I never thought I'd see the day where I'd be back in a hurry. Normally, I'm like, oh, I want to be off, but I never thought I'd see the day where I'll be in a hurry to get back to school. But I want to go back to work. And we miss our kids. So stay at home so we can go back. Don't you want to bring your kids back to school? Think about that. About having to teach your own kids. So anyway, that's that. I am driving on my way to work, and I'm gonna just stop and get some coffee. Other than that, I'm headed straight to work because I'm already behind schedule. It's already like 7:45, and I really should be there at 8, which means I'm gonna be like maybe 5 or 10 minutes late, and that's 5-10 minutes that I could be packing something. So I'll be back in a bit. Oh, so I am in line at Starbucks. I've never seen a line this long. Only on the day when I'm in a hurry. They normally move pretty fast here, so I'm hoping that they go fast because I'm really trying to hurry to the school and get there as fast as possible. That's what I get for staying up all night. Not wanting to get up. So I'm stopping to get breakfast because if I don't, I'm not gonna have time to eat lunch. So I'm gonna eat now.
How are you today?
Hi, how are you?
Good. What can I get started for you?
May I have the ham and pepper cheddar egg bites, and I want a grande sweet cream cold brew, but I'll blend it.
You said blended?
Okay.
Anything else?
That's it.
All right. Your total is going to be $9.09.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. Hello. Good morning. How are you? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Alright, thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye. Okay, so I have made it here in my classroom, and it's there's the bell. I made it in my classroom, and it's really hard to even tell where to begin. That's our 8:30 bell. It was a process of me even getting into the building, so that took about 30 minutes of my time. So I am already running behind schedule, so I'm going to go ahead and get started packing this room up because I do not have a lot of time. So I'm going to probably end up just fast forwarding through this because it's going to be a long process. So I will come back and show you. Let me just do a glare around the room to show you kind of what it looks like. They worked on my desk. I haven't been here since March, so they had cleaned my room in preparation for us to come back and move the desk, and I never did move them. So that's gonna be a task, trying to move the desk so that I can get my rug from underneath it. But anyway, here we go. I'm about to get started. Okay, so my battery went out on me, but I'm going to have to move all of the desks that you see over there to over there by the bookshelf. So that's why I went ahead and cleared the bookshelf. So that is going to be a task. So I'm going to just cut the camera off and get down to it. I feel like once I move all of that stuff over there, then I can really go ahead and wrap up packing my room. I'm making good time, and it's 10 o'clock. So I said at 1 o'clock I'm gonna start getting everything that I'm packing. I'm just kind of putting near the door so that I can easily start. I gotta clear this cart out off so that I can use that to wheel it outside. We'll start wheeling things outside. So we only have until 2:30. So I'm gonna have to go ahead, cut the camera off, and I will record again once I'm done clearing out the room. Bye.